If you want to save your writing quickly without losing progress, Grammarly makes it easy with drafts. In this video, I'll show you how to create one step by step. Start by opening the Grammarly app on your device. Once the app is open, look for the Compose option, usually found at the top of the screen. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can begin writing your content. Type anything you want, whether it's just a few words or a longer piece. The great thing is, you don't have to worry about manually saving. As soon as you go back or exit the writing page, Grammarly automatically saves it as a draft. You can return later and pick up right where you left off. And that's how easy it is to create and manage drafts in Grammarly. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one.